Hey, welcome everyone. Pat Mitchell here with Tricktrades, and in today's video, it's going to be just a quick and dirty video on exactly how I day traded AMD options coming into a predetermined level for a short, buying puts. Now, if this is something you're interested in, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if this isn't something you're interested in, well, beat it, nerd, because we got work to do. So let's get straight into this here, folks. This is a long weekend. We have Thursday, the markets are closed. So tomorrow the markets are closed. And then Friday is just a short day. And I'm not a big fan of trading half days. It's going to be really low volume. And so I usually just shut it down. So today was my last trading day of the week and locking in a little bit better than $5,000 on both AMD, which was my bigger winner, locking in about just a hair over 4,000 on the name here, and SPY. SPY was a little bit difficult to trade today, but I had a fully developed trade plan and 2 levels to watch, and the risk was a little wider, just like yesterday's video explaining how to hold through a little bit of pain, watching the chart, feeling the daily chart, seeing the daily chart, all of that. But I think we're going to just discuss AMD today. I'm going to show you guys my entries in a minute, but first let's go over the trade. So this was today's level, give or take a penny or two, right into, and it was literally a top tick into this level. In fact, I do believe it was more so like that. So if you want a true representation of the level, that was it. It came flying into this level, and as it was coming up, I executed. As soon as it popped through like this, the SPY was looking very weak as well, and you have to ask yourself, how much further is AMD really going to go without a proper pullback? There's no news catalyst, there's no major catalyst, and that's something that you need to think about. This right here is a market maker trap. What they'll try and get you to do is to stop out and then chase it back. Remember, market makers make their money via bid and ask spread. So they want you to go in and out of these positions. They're basically turning dumb money traders' accounts to get them to chase in and out, in and out, in and out. So you'll see these fake pops through support or resistance all the time. So as I said, as it pops up, I added into this pop, getting my average better because my stop isn't up until about up here, somewhere in this neighborhood. Although it's not marked, it would be up in this neighborhood in here. So I'm fine to add. I don't care if the stock is doing backflips up here. It doesn't matter to me. I will add on any type of pop into that resistance or into that stop. Okay, so then I simply paid myself. I paid myself out a whack of the position down in here, getting rid of some size. Paid myself a little bit more here, and I believe I was out, yeah, right here. Right here is where I got out the rest of my position. With it being basically my Friday, I wanted to wrap up the session, and that's it. I ended up holding SPY into about here, somewhere in this neighborhood, somewhere in here anyways, and in this time frame, and got out the rest of that. It ended up being an incredible day. So let me show you the entries here on AMD. So remember, these are puts. Okay, so it's going to be an opposite type of chart. If this is going up and I'm going to pay myself on the way down, I'm going to enter on the way down and pay myself as it's coming up. So just keep that in mind while looking at this chart for reference. So with that said, as it came flying into this level, you can see that I am averaging into the position. And then as it pops through right in here, you can see that I added, boom, it starts coming in and I start paying myself up. It's hard to see with this chart, but there is a wick right there. So basically on this payment all the way down, bottom ticked. So bottom ticked the entry, top ticked that first wash, and then simply paid myself out on this, locking in well over 100% on this trade, folks. You can see my bulk of my position is down here in the 40s, and then paid myself out. This doesn't look like much, okay? I know it doesn't. It doesn't look like much, but it is. It's over 100% because I locked in just under $1. My average was, I believe, somewhere in the 35 to 40 cent range, and then I peeled out the majority of the position and the position in and around $1. Okay, so about 80 cents. That is 100%, boys and girls, and we do this stuff every day. So if you want to learn how to become a real trader trading real stocks, I do really recommend coming to check out Tricktrades. I mean, you really have nothing to lose. You know, if you don't like it, simply cancel and never talk to me again. That's fine. But I'd be willing to bet that if you are the type of person that really wants to learn how to become a day trader, like you actually want to become a professional trader, you are going to be in absolute heaven. And now is the time to do it, because we're offering 20% off first month, both on guidance and mentoring, plus a bunch of discounts on education and all sorts of stuff. So come check us out, guys, and I know that you'll enjoy it. And I've rambled on long enough here. I hope you guys have a wonderful long weekend and happy Thanksgiving, and be safe out there, folks. Adios.